Hey guys, welcome back to Frank Vlogs. Happy to see you all once again. I hope you liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. And also if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. If you have any queries regarding travel related stuff, travel related products or anything like that, you can also get in touch with me on Instagram. The IDs are given in the description, and also you can also stalk me on Facebook. Yes, so today's video is all about comparison of Pulsar 180F and Pulsar 220F.
Hey guys, let's get into the comparison video of Pulsar 180F and Pulsar 220F. So look at both of these bikes. They look very similar. The major difference between these two machines is the engine capacity. Yes, it is the 220 and 180cc air-cooled engine. Then we have a proper metal exhaust coming in the engine here in 220F. It looks so beautiful on this as it is the premium, meaning a bigger version of the 180cc. Wherein when it comes to 180, it comes with a matte finished exhaust which is similar of the 180 150cc Bajaj Pulsar. So that is the first thing. So the second thing is, if you see the exhaust cans or the exhaust itself is the bigger one, a better sounding one, a better engineered one for the 220F, which was a hit back then. But if you see the 180F, the exhaust is a bit small. To be honest, that's the only difference when it comes to the engine. So the finish in the 220 is glossy, wherein the 180 is a matte finish. The tire looks a bit different. Otherwise, if you're not the owner of let's assume that you're not the owner of 220F, and if you're watching the bike from a distance, you'll not be able to find the difference between both of these bikes. So yeah, when you see the tank, the size differs. When it comes to the riding experience, the Bajaj 220F is a bigger version and is much more comfortable than the 180cc. When it comes to the throttle, both of these cruise pretty well. And well, that being said, though I own a 180F, a small suggestion from my end is, if you're a person who's looking for an upgradation of your cc, if you wish to increase it gradually, you can start with the 180cc, else you can go for the 220. When it comes to the price range, there is a difference of 25k between both of these bikes, which meant to be pretty high for me, and budget was the main aspect in my mind before getting this bike. So when it's all about your decisions. So you can decide accordingly and choose the bike of your choice. The main reason as to why I didn't buy the 220cc is I wanted a gradual upgradation, and also the budget was in mind, because previously, as you all know, that I had a Honda CB Shine which was a 125cc. So what I thought was, let's have a gradual increase in the cc from 125cc to 180cc, rather than I didn't prefer to go for a 220cc. Let's see in future. I'll keep upgrading, but let's see how it goes. Yes, and also the other difference is the 180F comes with a center stand, wherein 220F doesn't have a center stand. Yes guys, that's pretty much for the comparison. Cool.
So I hope this video would have been informative, the comparison between Pulsar 180F and 220F, and how is it about and things like that. So hopefully you also know the reason why I didn't get Pulsar 220F, because I was pretty much comfortable with Pulsar 180F. Yes guys, that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, please do click on the like button and also share it with your friends so that they'll also understand the comparison between both of these bikes. Yes guys, thank you so much. Keep supporting. Love you all.